is Andrew Sosnowski, and I'm the candidate for Kane County State's Attorney. I live in Elgin, Illinois, raised children in Kane County, two. One is 33, the other one's 27. And I have a grandchild who's in the Kane County School District as well. She's in Sleepy Hollow. She loves the school. She loves her teachers. I have been a prosecutor for many years out of my legal career. First, I've been 35 years as a lawyer. I started in McHenry County up in Woodstock, Illinois. I was a prosecutor there for several years, and because of the election changes, I went and worked for David Ackman, the Kane County State's Attorney at the time. And I stayed in the Kane County State's Attorney's office for about 8.5 years. I went all the way from a juvenile prosecutor into the felony courts. I ran a division, the first division they have ever had, family justice. And I was the co-founder with the state's attorney of the Child Advocacy Center in Kane County. That's probably my proudest accomplishment, and if I had no other accomplishments in my life, I would go to the grave with that as my biggest accomplishment professionally. Served thousands of children over the years, and it still exists today, which is a wonderful testament. I've also been a prosecutor in Ogle County, in Joe Davis County. So I've gone out to the hinterlands out near Galena, Illinois, beautiful territory. I was a prosecutor there because young prosecutors got elected, and you could be 28 and get elected state's attorney, and they needed a seasoned veteran who understood the system and was able to work the cases for them while they got the office in order, and I did that, and when I was done, I left. I've been also an attorney for 35 years, as I said, and I have practiced in many areas, mostly criminal, juvenile law as well. I was the former Deputy General Counsel of the Illinois Department of Children and Family Services, a gubernatorial appointment back in the 2000s, early 2000s. And I currently have a contract with DCFS where they're asking me to prosecute cases for them of child abuse, neglect, and dependency issues around the state of Illinois. Was also the former General Counsel of the National Insurance Crime Bureau, where we did criminal investigations for crime relating to insurance fraud, white-collar criminal activities, which is growing. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it's taken over our insurance. Our rates have gone up because of that. So these are the things that I was working at, and I will do the same as your state's attorney. Currently I'm the General Counsel for Volunteers of America, Illinois, where I opened a legal clinic under their direction for veterans who are facing housing insecurities. And that rounds out my professional career. This is my legal clinic here for homeless veterans, and it's named after my father, who was a veteran in the World War II war, and he raised us, in a very small little home in Calumet City, and he was not a lawyer, he was a blue-collar machinist. That's him right here in World War II, and his friends, the three of these, all died after that picture was taken. He survives. And this is the little clinic office. So this is kind of a humble little clinic. We do work here for the veterans. My daughter put these up, they're a little crooked. This is it. So we're proud of this place. We're still building. We're still making sure that things are in place for veterans when they come in and receive services from us. Paid for by Sosnowski for Kane Committee.